Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of predictions from simple experiments. This is standard 7.6H in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 16 off the 2022 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a table here, shows the different numbers of different colors of pencils in a pencil case, and the student is going to randomly select one pencil from the case. So that right here, this is our simple experiment. Simple rather than compound, because you're only doing one thing. So a compound experiment might say, is going to randomly select two pencils, or is going to select one pencil, put it back, and then select another pencil. Stuff like that. But that's because there's two different events here. Simple experiment is just one event. We're just going to pull one pencil. So based on this information, we've got red with 2, purple with 8, blue with 4, green with 5. Which statement is true? All right, so I'm going to try to represent each of these with mathematical expressions or maybe equations, just depending on what they say, because once we can represent it with an expression or an equation, it becomes very evident whether these statements are true or false. And we're looking for the one that is true. So F says the pencil is least likely to be blue. So that's the smallest. So that means this blue is going to be less than any of the others. It's going to be less than red, it's going to be less than purple, and it's going to be less than green. So let's see if that's true. 4 is going to be less than, I'll look at each of these numbers separately, less than 2, less than 8 for purple, and less than 5. Well, yeah, we're good right here, but here's my problem. The pencil is not least likely to be blue because 4 is not less than 2. It's actually least likely to be red. If you make this red, we are good to go, but it does not say red, it says blue. So my answer is definitely not F. Let's look at G. The pencil is 4 times as likely to be purple as it is red. All right, 4 times as likely to be purple. So what we're going to do is we're going to say purple equals 4 times as red. So 4 times as likely to be purple as red means we're going to take that red, multiply it by 4, and it should get us the purple because it equals 4 times that red. Well, let's see. Purple is 8. 4 times, my red is 2. How does that look? Well, does 8 equals 4 times 2? Does 8 equal 8? Yeah. Okay, so G, looking pretty good. Most likely our answer. As always, we always double check the other two, because if one of those looks correctly, then we might have messed up somehow. H, the pencil is equally likely. All right, we're just going to use equal sign here to be blue or green. So that's pretty simple. Blue equals green. Well, how's that going to work for you? Does 4 equal 5? No, it does not. So blue does not equal green. 4 does not equal 5, so it's definitely not H. All we need to do is eliminate J. We're good. Pencil is more likely to be purple, okay, than all the other combined. All right, so if we're going to take purple, still going to be greater than the other colors combined. So purple is more likely to be red plus blue plus green. Since we're going to use this word combined, that makes me think of addition. All right, so purple 8 is greater than 2 plus blue is 4 plus green is 5, so that's 6, that's 11. Does 8 look like it is greater than 11? No, that is incorrect. If you said less likely, then we'd be good to go. That is incorrect. So our answer is G.